No longer A1 in English? Prove it. Can you score 15 out of 15?
Welcome. Choose the correct answer for each question. A, B, C, or D. The correct answer and an explanation will appear 20 seconds later. If you need to, pause the video to read or take notes. That way you'll learn as you go. Good luck and have fun! Answer B is correct. She goes to school every day. In the present simple, we add s or es to verbs after he, she, or it. She goes, he drives. Answer A is correct. What are you doing now? I am watching TV. We use the present continuous am, is, are, plus verb plus ing for actions happening now. For example, I am watching TV. She is riding a bike. Answer D is correct. Yesterday, we played football after school. Yesterday means we are talking about the past, so we need the past simple. So played is the correct past form. Answer A is correct. I was listening to music when you called me. We use the past continuous, was listening, to speak about an activity in the past that was happening when an event happened. You called. Answer B is correct. It's late. I think I'll go now. We use will, future simple, for quick decisions made at the moment of speaking. Answer B is correct. My house is bigger than yours. For short adjectives, add ER for the comparative. Big becomes bigger. Answer D is correct. There are 2 children in the garden. Children is an irregular plural. Answer C is correct. He doesn't like coffee. In present simple negatives with he, she, and it, use doesn't plus verb. Answer C is correct. I am tired today. I want to sleep. Use tired to describe how you feel. Tiring describes something that makes you tired. Answer D is correct. I usually have breakfast at 9 o'clock in the morning. We say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at night. We use at with times, at 4 o'clock, and on with days of the week, for example, on Sunday. Answer A is correct. I always do my homework in the evening. We say do homework, not make homework. Do is used for activities and tasks. Answer A is correct. I can't find my keys. Can you help me look for them? Look for means search. Look up means to find information in a book or the internet, etc., and look at means see something. Answer D is correct. Please be quiet. Don't shout. Quiet means not making noise. Quite means a little. In English, we use adjectives, not adverbs, after the verb be. Answer B is correct. The lecturer was so boring that some of the students fell asleep. Boring describes something or someone that makes you feel bored. The lecturer was boring, so the students were bored. The students were bored because the lecturer was boring. These two sentences mean the same. Answer B is correct. We always have English lessons on Monday mornings. Use on with days of the week. On Monday. Use in with morning, afternoon, evening. In the evening. But use on when you have a day and a part of it in one expression, e.g., on Tuesday morning. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.